Hi everyone, welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. We had a beautiful start to this New Year's Eve 2025, a gorgeous sunrise this morning, and now I'm up here in my office. I have the January Joyful Jordan box to share with you using these Jordan Essentials products that are made in Nixa, Missouri and are botanically based ingredients and have lots of topical magnesium products available. It's just one of the ways that I like to nurture wellness naturally around my home. So grab something cozy to drink or celebratory if you're watching this on the New Year day and want to have something to enjoy with it. Stay tuned for the unboxing and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So as I mentioned, I have the January Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials to share with you. So if you're brand new, Jordan Essentials is a 25-year-old company out of Nixa, Missouri that is woman-owned, faith-based, and as I mentioned, they have lots of great products for your home, your bath and body, makeup, everything you might need, cleaning products. A lot of them are essential oil based. They're all botanical ingredients, no toxins, and just really good products to have around. And I've been a consultant since 2004, so I've been around a long time because I still love the products and I will continue to use them. My whole family uses them. So the Joyful Jordan box is a $30 box. You can choose to just buy it one time or buy multiples. I have several customers that have already said they need 2 of the January box, and you'll see why in a little bit. If you want to subscribe, you can sign up as a subscription, and when you do that, then you get free shipping when your box ships out to you each month. So lots of great reasons to subscribe and get your Joyful Jordan box coming. They are valued at $40 minimum, so it's a good savings on the products. The other thing that's really fun about these is they have exclusive products that are not in our regular catalog. So it's a great way to try out something kind of new and different and get your hands on things that you otherwise couldn't order. So without further ado, here we have this little box of awesomeness. And these also make really fun gifts because the packaging is so nice and feels like a festive box of goodies that you're opening each time. So whether you're gifting it to yourself or someone else, it works out great. Each box will come with a card. So one side of the card will say a Bible verse or an inspiring quote. This one for January says, "Start your year with a dose of TLC, tender loving care for your skin, your spirit, and your self-care routine." Then on the back of the card, this is our little sneak peek. It's going to tell us about everything in the box and how to use it. And I just want to mention as a little side note, one of the things I started doing with these cards is I got a little frame at the dollar store. So this is actually the Christmas one a year ago. This is 2024's Christmas or December box, but I just thought it was so pretty. So each month or every couple of months, I'll change out the card with whatever that current month's going to be. But look at that. Isn't that going to be pretty when I switch that card out and put the January one in there? So that'll be something. I may share a little reel over on my Instagram if you want to see me do that and just switch out the card. Then you can keep an eye on my Instagram channel for that. So let's go ahead and talk about the products in the box. First off, we have one of our signature products, which is our Shea Body Butter. I absolutely love our body butter because it is rich and emollient, but it has no mineral oil. We don't use mineral oil in any of our products. So it actually soaks into your skin and really helps to moisturize your skin well without feeling greasy or slimy. I have had some customers that tell me they always have to have a napkin around after they put on lotion because then they wipe their hands down because they feel too slimy. Don't have to worry about that with our Shea Body Butter. So it comes in lots of scents in our regular catalog. It does not come in this TLC scent. So this TLC is a blend of essential oils. It has lavender, which is calming, peppermint, which is kind of uplifting and helps to open your airways, clary sage, which can help your mental focus, frankincense, which is a great grounding oil. It's the king of essential oils because it has so many great properties. It's also anti-aging, and sweet orange, which also helps to boost your mood a little bit. So it just has a great blend of essential oils to kind of add a little bit of everything you might need at any point in the day. So the shea butters will come with a little seal. I'm going to take this off because I need some lotion on my hands, and what better thing to try than this? And the little backstory with TLC is in the spring, in April, that's about all you would need. So just a little pea-sized amount, and you can see how thick and rich that is, but you'll notice as I start rubbing it into my skin, it's just gonna soak right in, and my skin, oh my gosh, feels so good. So anyway, in April, we have a spring gifting catalog that'll come out. It's kind of a mini catalog that has lots of great gift collections for teachers and nurses, because we're kind of getting into that springtime gifting. Also good stuff for moms for Mother's Day, or graduates for, the May springtime graduations. And TLC came out a few years ago in that spring catalog. So we've had it in various products over the last couple of years. Usually it comes in some kind of a little cute organza gift bag, and it might have, one time we had it TLC blend in our skin relief lotion, which is a shea butter base, but then it has extra botanicals for healing. We've had it in little mini versions of things. So anyway, it's a customer favorite. I have several customers that have been begging me for more TLC, and I had to say, sorry, we had it in April and it's been gone since then, and I've already sold out of everything that I got on hand to sell. So they were thrilled. That's why several of them said, give me 2 of these January boxes, because we don't know what's coming in April. There's no guarantee TLC is coming back. They love the scent, and this is really cool because we have not had TLC in this 4-ounce shea butter tube. So they were super excited to know this was coming and said, go ahead and put me down for 2 boxes. So that's a little side note and why you might want to consider doing the same thing. Let's see, the next thing on our card, well, I should read what the card said. Sorry, got ahead of myself. But for the TLC Body Butter, which is 4 ounce, like I mentioned, it says shea butter and vitamin E infused with lavender, peppermint, clary sage, frankincense, and sweet orange essential oils for a luxurious, soothing experience. A go-to for deep hydration and soft, nourished skin. And of course, you're just going to massage it on. You can use it all over your whole body. I love our shea butters just kind of as my go-to hand lotion, but you can see my hands they feel moisturized and just kind of like they've been treated well, and they don't feel dried out, and they were kind of getting to where they hurt. You know how it's cold in the winter and the air's dry and your hands just kind of hurt? They don't feel that anymore. So I love that I got that. Now the next thing is our TLC Magnesium Spray. So in our catalog, we have a whole collection of essential oil blends in magnesium sprays for different purposes. There's one for nausea and motion sickness, things like that. There's one for energy, there's one for allergies, there's one for headaches, and all kinds of things. So this is the TLC blend of essential oils in this little mini magnesium spray. So this is great for on the go. You can use it also just kind of as your little body spray for the scent. And the benefit of having magnesium in a spray is topical magnesium can get into your cells really quickly and into your bloodstream really quickly when you put it on your skin. So I always tell people, if you're taking a magnesium supplement, keep taking it. You don't have to stop taking it, but the magnesium sprays, the sticks, any of our magnesium products are great for getting the magnesium boosted right where you need it. So the spray is going to go into your system, your skin and your cells and your tissues really quickly. Anything you put on your skin is in your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So that's pretty fast acting. And this little travel size is perfect for keeping in your purse or your backpack, kind of on the go. And it is a witch hazel base, so it's just a real easy product to use. And then it's got that magnesium in there and the essential oils. So it says, a little tender loving care just for you. Spritz on body daily to enjoy magnesium and aromatherapy benefits of restoration and relaxation. Go ahead and give yourself a little TLC. So you can spray it directly onto your skin as often as needed. So I like our topical magnesium products for things like my wrist that can start hurting if I've been on the computer too long, or my back sometimes when it gets tight and achy if I've been this time of year bending over wrapping presents a lot, or bending over cleaning and vacuuming and doing things where, you know, you're kind of taxing your muscles. Then the magnesium lotions and sprays and sticks all really work to help relieve some of those aches and pains. Magnesium can also help you sleep better because it helps to relax your muscles and helps your nervous system calm down. It can help with anxiety and depression. It can help with headaches and twitches if you have that eye twitch or that muscle twitch. So lots of great benefits to magnesium. And that's just one way you can get it in this little travel spray in the box. And then the other item that's a magnesium product this month is the TLC Magnesium Stick. So this has shea butter and beeswax, and it's a blend that nourishes dry skin while essential oils naturally calm, uplift, and support healthy, soothed skin. Your on-the-go quick stick to balance your busy day. And it just says apply directly to dry or irritated skin. Use as often as needed. So it's going to be that same blend. We'll just go ahead and open this one because I'm most likely going to use it. I can always order another one if I need. All right, so this is our magnesium stick, and just like our lotion bars, so we have lotion bars which are also a beeswax base, and then they have all kinds of great ingredients in them. It's going to be similar, so it looks like lip balm, but I'm going to roll it up. These new ones always kind of have that little edge to them. I'm just going to massage that in. And the nice thing about the stick is it's just real quick and easy. I also like it because it doesn't spill if you don't get the lid on right away in your purse. And it's just a little quick and easy one. So you can massage it in anywhere that you have issues. You could put it on the back of your neck or under your ears, on the sides of your neck where your lymph nodes are. You can put it on your chest, under your nose, on your upper lip, just wherever you want to smell that aromatherapy, or you need the benefits of either the moisture or the magnesium. And sometimes, oh, there we go. Got that little tab off. So that is our magnesium stick, and it's just going to soak in any of our beeswax products. Oh, this is the other thing I like to do. I use it like a little cuticle stick. So sometimes I'll throw a magnesium stick in my purse, and it's kind of my everything in one. It's a boo-boo stick. If somebody, you know, has a bruise or something that's hurting, we can put that on there. The beeswax and shea butter in it helps to moisturize skin. So sometimes I'll do this where I just rub it onto my cuticles, and that's just enough to kind of moisturize and nourish not only my cuticles and help my nails grow nice and strong, but then the leftover is just the right amount to massage into my hands like a lotion. So it acts as a lotion. If I have a headache, I can rub it on my temples and forehead. It can help with that. So these little sticks are great because they do so many things, and they're a small product to carry with you. So that's everything in the Joyful Jordan box for the month of January 2026, which is kind of crazy to think about. Now I'm going to set this aside so we can look at the other specials coming in January. So right over there, we'll set that. So we have something every month called a customer special. And the way that works is if you spend $50 when you're shopping online and you go to checkout, it could be over $50, but you have to reach that $50 minimum in your subtotal. Then when you go to the checkout process, there'll be a little button that says, do you want to add the customer special? And whatever that customer special is for the month, it's going to be $5. And once you reach that $50 subtotal, then you can get that item for $5. So for the January, we're doing our Cuke Craze as our $5 customer special. So this has been a product in our catalog for a long time. It can be used as an all-over body wash and exfoliant, or you can also use it on your face for a deeper exfoliation because it has crushed walnut shells and the cucumber, so it's great for our skin. So it's kind of like a shower gel that's boosted with these other exfoliating ingredients. So I love this. I usually keep one in my shower for my body, and then if I feel like doing a face scrub with it, it's right there in the shower and I can grab it for that. So it's a really good one to try out if you've never tried it. And if you're getting stuff and you're already at the $50, you might as well tack that on for $5. Let's see, those normally retail for, let's see if I can find it quickly. I think that's going to be, here we go. It's in our face care line. Cuke Craze is normally $19 in the current catalog. So to get that for $5 is a really good deal and a great chance to try something. Then we have a host special, and the host special means if you're the host of the party, so you would get with your consultant, whether it's me or someone else, and they help you set up the party. There's a little bit they have to do on the back end in the Jordan Essentials website, and that just says that you're the host and your customers can order through a special link. But being a host could be people actually coming to your house where you host, the old-fashioned party where everybody comes and tries the products and places the orders. It could be just getting a couple of catalogs and some samples from your consultant and taking those around with you for a week or so and taking orders. It could be an online thing, maybe on Facebook or Messenger, where we just kind of share the information. The consultant will share information about all the products and then people order through that link. It could even be a text party where we just do a group chat and text message and the consultant shares all the information, and then there's that shopping link that everybody shops from. So being a host is pretty easy. There's lots of ways you can do it. And when you're a host and your party total equals $500, then you get the chance to buy the exclusive host special. It's usually $5 to $10 depending on what it is, because it's normally a pretty big sized item. So for the month of January, it's going to be our moisturizing Rosemary Mint Shampoo, which is a new scent we got in the fall catalog, and I absolutely love it. But this is the normal size, the 8 ounce. I just brought another bottle to show you size difference, so this has nothing to do with it other than the size. But this is a 16 ounce bottle that we have of our Copa Calm. This is our magnesium lotion and Copa Calm, so I use this every day. But you're going to get, for the host special in January, a 16 ounce version of our Rosemary Mint Shampoo. So it's like a great big bottle. It'll have the same kind of cap and it'll be a white bottle, but it'll be bigger like this one. So it's going to be a really good deal to be able to get that and try not only our great shampoo, but also to get it in that bigger size. So if you've already tried it and love it, then you can really stock up. And let's see, I better kind of tuck this over. So then the third extra special thing we want to talk about in January is if you decide you want to join the company as a consultant, I'd love to have you on our team. We have a great family. We call ourselves the Jets, the Jordan Excellent Team. And it's fun to just cheer each other on. A lot of us are just using the products and we wanted a discount, so that's why we signed up. That's why I got started back in 2004. And then some of us are doing more sharing and making a little bit more of a business out of it. But when you're a consultant, you do get 25% off all of your purchases. And then there's some extra deals you get, the more you do. So this is going to be your freebie for joining in January, and it's a $45 product. This is our Glow Getter jojoba facial oil with frankincense and orange essential oils. I love this as just a light moisturizer. I usually layer this, especially in the winter months. I'll layer this with my Hydra Glow moisturizer. This is empty because I used mine up and I actually need to get some more, but I had the bottle around to show you. So let me see if I can find that one quickly too. So Glow Getter, see if it says anything else about it in here. Plump It Up, Glow Getter Facial Oil, drenches skin in dewy hydration from jojoba, frankincense, orange, and olive squalane. So it has anti-aging properties with olive squalane and frankincense. It's moisturizing, smells great, and it's a $45 value, and you get that as a free bonus item when you join in January. And also when you join, this is not what comes in the actual kit, but it's an old box of what the kit looks like, so I just wanted to show you, compared to the Joyful Jordan box. So it would be full of the products you're going to get. There's going to be samples, there's going to be things like this to help you learn how to do it, but you can see size comparison. So it's definitely a big collection compared to your Joyful Jordan box, and then you would get that Glow Getter on top of it, and it's just a great way to kind of kickstart your journey with Jordan Essentials and see how easily you can build a business if you want, or just enjoy lots of great products at a really good deal. This is $30, and when you join, it's normally, I think it's $49.50 for the box, and then you get your free $45 Glow Getter, and like I said, this will be full of products and samples. So it's a great way to also just try a bunch of stuff and see how it goes. You have 3 months of no website fee when you join. Normally when you're a consultant, there is a $10 a month fee that covers all your online stuff, your website, your resources, your trainings, everything. So for 3 months when you first join, you get that for free, and that way you can kind of try it on, see what you think before you jump in and go for it with your business. So Hopefully that gave you a great idea of everything that's coming in January 2026. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, and I'll reach out to you and help you with whatever I can. And other than that, thanks for joining me. I hope you had a great Christmas season and are enjoying this new year. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.